Weather coverage you can count on with Alabama's weather anchor of the year, WAAY-31's chief meteorologist, Kate McKenna.
We are starting out the work week with warm temperatures and fairly quiet weather, but it's Tuesday and Wednesday where this threat for severe weather starts to ramp back up. Of course, it's early April in North Alabama. It is not uncommon this time of year. So let's talk about Wednesday in particular. We are tracking that threat for damaging straight line wind up to 70 miles per hour. The risk for tornadoes is going to be present as well. And the mention of large hail is not out of the question. We've also got that chance for some stronger storms tomorrow. We'll talk about that in just a second, but let's also focus on what we've got right now because the temperatures, well, it's a lovely start to our work week. Just a few of those mid-level clouds moving through, nothing that's bringing us any rain right now. We're at 74 degrees, indicator wind out of the southwest at 6 miles per hour. Not reporting any cloud cover there, but you can see that very well in that view in the background. Muscle Shoals, 78 degrees, a touch on the breezy side, wind out of the west at times gusting up to 17 miles per hour, but it is beautiful anywhere you look on the WAAY-31 Thompson Roofing and Construction Skycam network. I told you that it is dry for the time being. The WAAY-31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network not picking up on any rain right now, but let's look at the wider view and focus on what's taking shape here across Texas and Oklahoma. This is the same system that's going to be moving into North Alabama early tomorrow morning. Got a few severe thunderstorms there as well. And as for us, it does look like that stronger, higher severe threat is going to be present just to our south, but a stronger storm by tomorrow afternoon is not out of the question. Instead, I think the biggest impact for us on Tuesday is going to be the rain that rolls through mainly during the morning. And if you're farther to the west, let's say you're west of I-65, you're in the Shoals, there's a higher likelihood that you're going to have to deal with a wet morning commute. Temperatures hold steady in the mid-50s, and we've got those rain chances on the increases. All of this starts to roll in along a warm front. As far as high temperatures tomorrow, 69 degrees, it's heavy rain, the chance for some scattered afternoon thunderstorms, and it is breezy, still wind out of the southwest tomorrow, gusting up to 30 miles per hour. Here's tomorrow's outlined risk for severe weather, and you'll see that even the Shoals not included in that outlined risk, but a large part of North Alabama shaded in yellow. That's a level 1 out of 5, a marginal risk on the scale from the Storm Prediction Center. It's mainly the heavy rain that we're going to be dealing with tomorrow. As we look ahead to Wednesday, notice how that bullseye of red starts to take over. That's mainly along and east of I-65. That's a level 3 out of 5. So again, that is the day where that severe threat is going to be highest. Wednesday is the day where we have that chance for damaging straight line wind, a few tornadoes, and some large hail. But still not all data sources are keying in on the strongest storms developing over North Alabama Wednesday, which we're going to be kind of right on that line. You'll see what I mean as we watch the data as we go through the rest of tonight into tomorrow. We just keep the cloud cover, that wind out of the southeast initially. Here comes all of the rain early tomorrow morning from the southwest overspreading North Alabama. We catch a little bit of a break right around lunchtime through the early afternoon, but then as we go past 10 o'clock, now all the way to 2 o'clock, this is when we can see that chance for a little bit of redevelopment and the few thunderstorms. Not a high likelihood in that, not a lot of confidence on my end, but it is a possibility. Then as we get closer to sunset, most of that rain is moving out. Clear out temporarily by 10 o'clock, but the clouds roll back in, and this is what we wake up to Wednesday morning. A couple of stray showers here and there, and watch this line. You see that line of showers? Watch it kind of flare up once it moves over Sand Mountain. So this is why I say we're kind of right on that edge where this line starts to kind of see some development, and those storms intensify Wednesday afternoon into the evening. Some data sources show that happening right over North Alabama. Others show it happening farther towards the southeast. We still need to be on guard and on alert for that possibility because you'll see how intense that line becomes once it starts to move into northwest Georgia. Regardless, as we go through Wednesday night, that severe threat drops. We're left with quiet weather to end the work week, but much colder weather. Look at the temperature, 77 on Wednesday, 64 degrees on Thursday, and then we are waking up to temperatures in the mid-30s Saturday and Sunday, highs back down into the mid-50s.